Hi, here is the Minolta XE overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment. Okay. Using two LR44 battery, and just put the positive face out and close it. Okay. So this camera is the electronic shutter camera, which means that it needs to operate with the battery. If without the battery, then only you can use it at the flash scene at here. Yeah. Then here is the battery check button at the side. Yeah. It got light up, which means that it has battery already. And here is the on-off button. If you off it, you cannot press. On only you can. Yeah. Then about here, you need to pull it up to open the back cover. Inside will be like this, and here is the film. So put it inside and push it down. Yeah, it's fully down. Don't like this, which means that it doesn't lock it properly. Then we turn a bit. Yeah. And the film tip, same. You need to insert here. Okay, after that, press the film at here and wind it and close it. How to know whether you have loaded properly? When you wind the film, look at here, or yeah, at here also can. They have the orange thing, and here will move together, which means that you have loaded it properly. And this is auto mode, which actually is called aperture priority mode, which you adjust the aperture, then the camera will select the shutter speed for you. If the small aperture, then it will be slow shutter speed, like that. And here is the focus. You can look into the viewfinder. Yeah, at here have a needle. It will change according to the aperture you switch. It will show you the current shutter speed. And I would recommend don't let the shutter speed below 60. If below 60, then you need to hold it properly to avoid like blur outcome or something. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. And here is the ISO setting. So you need to let them meet this white dot by clicking this silver button. Wait, sorry. Then it's like this button. Press this silver button and change it to 400. Yeah. Okay. Then just all the way adjust the aperture and focus to shoot. And here is the timer. Wind it and click this. Oops. Okay. And by clicking here and twist anti-clockwise to take off the lens. And when you want to equip the red dot, mix this one and turn it. Yeah. So overall it's like this, and here will show how many shots you have took. And you just wind until they cannot wind anymore. Then click the button at here and flip here up. Then here you have an arrow to show you the way to rewind. Normally it's like clockwise, yeah. Rewind until it loose. Okay, then only you pull it out and open the back cover, take your film to develop. And overall it's like this. Hope you enjoyed.